Want to grow fresh, healthy broccoli in your own backyard? You're in the right place. In the next couple minutes, I'll walk you through everything you need to know from prepping your garden to that first crunchy bite. First up, let's talk about what makes broccoli tick. Broccoli is part of the cabbage family and it loves cooler weather. You'll get the best results if you grow it in temperatures between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, that's about 15 to 21 Celsius. Too hot and your broccoli might bolt before you get a good head. Next, soil prep. Broccoli's a bit picky here. Pick a sunny spot with well-draining soil. Mix in plenty of compost to boost nutrients and check your soil's pH. It should be between 6.0 and 7.0. If you don't have a pH meter, it's worth grabbing one. Now, planting. I like to start seeds indoors about 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. Once your seedlings are 4 to 6 weeks old and have a couple sets of leaves, they're ready to move outside. Space them about 18 inches apart so they have room to spread. Trust me, they'll use it. Let's talk care. Broccoli likes steady moisture. Aim for about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of water every week. Throw on a layer of mulch to lock in that moisture and keep weeds down. Keep an eye out for pests like cabbage worms and aphids. Catch them early, and you'll save yourself a headache. For harvesting, look for firm, tight heads that haven't started to open up. This usually happens about 60 to 100 days after planting, depending on your variety. Use a sharp knife to cut the main head and leave the plant. You might get bonus side shoots later. Honestly, growing broccoli is way easier than most people think and way tastier than store-bought. Put in a little effort and you'll be harvesting big, beautiful heads in no time. So, get out there, get your hands dirty, and enjoy your homegrown broccoli.